Okay, hey, welcome back everybody. It's Kelly from HVCPR and today is First Aid Friday. Again, how fast did this week go? The longest week on record. So tonight we're going to do a little bit something different. We're going to start in and we're going to try to figure out, is there a problem? Could there be a problem? Every day we go through our life, we're walking, talking, eating, chatting, whatever, and we're always just hanging out, doing stuff. And a lot of times we're not aware of the stuff around us. So, you don't know. This is Allie. She's behind me. I don't know what she's eating, but
Pretzels.
you know. Oh, pretzels. Okay. So were they good? Tasty? Yeah, okay. All those carbs. But anyway, what would you do? How would you know? If you do figure it out, what do you do next? These are all the things that we're going to talk about. So, I don't know, choking? Something anybody ever dealt with? I know we've had babies choke. I've had all my kids choke. And, you know, I don't know. You think there's something wrong over here? Al? Do you have something going on? Al? So, you guys all been taught the Heimlich? Oh, we call it the hiny-lick. Oh. Anyway, how do we know? What are people supposed to do? Well, if you're seriously choking, are you going to do this? Are you going to do the universal sign for choking? Because I got to be honest with you, and nobody I've ever seen does this. Nobody ever does that. What do? They stand there. They pretend they're invisible. They try to get it out of their chest. They just kind of like quietly try to cough it out. And they're not doing anything to help themselves because guess what? I'm talking to you. I ain't watching her. But guess what? I have to turn around and go, are you choking? Yeah. Her eyes are watering. Her face is turning red. She's not breathing any air. I don't hear anything coming in or out because remember, air goes in and air comes out. Are you seriously choking? I think she's choking. What do we do? Oh my God. Do I panic? What do I do? I don't know what to do. Do I run? Do I, what? No, dumbass. Come on. Are you choking? What's the first thing we want to do when they're choking? We want to pound them on the back. No, we don't do that. We ask, are you choking? Yeah, she's choking. All right, we're going to make a fist, flat fist. We're going to find her belly button. We're going to find her ribs. In between, we are going to push in and up. There we go. Save the day! She will live to eat more pretzels. How you doing, Al?
Good.
Are we good?
Yep.
She's good. So, what did we do? How did we know? Okay? You have to be aware. You have to look. No, I don't want those choking pretzels. I don't want those. So, choking, 101. Make sure they're choking first. No back slaps. Make a fist, Heimlich Maneuver, up above the belly button, in and up, push hard, okay? They will puke. Watch your shoes, okay? Have a great one, everybody. Subscribe, okay? Like, and we'll see you next week. So we got,
so fluffed.
what are you doing today? We're doing El Choco. El Choco?
With the snack bit.
We're going to do El Choco. Hey, everybody.
Now you sound like
We're
that
going to
puppy.
do El Choco. You're not recording, are you? Yes, you are.